Nuclear weapons have long been a symbol of ultimate power and fear. Since their creation in the mid-20th century, these weapons have shaped global politics and security. Today, we'll explore some of the scariest nuclear weapons ever developed, examining their destructive capabilities and the chilling impact they have on the world. From the first atomic bombs to modern thermonuclear devices, the evolution of these weapons is both fascinating and terrifying. Let's begin our journey into the world of the deadliest arms ever created and understand why they continue to haunt the collective imagination of humanity. Story of nuclear weapons began during World War II with the Manhattan Project. Scientists from around the world gathered in secret to develop the first atomic bomb. Their work led to the creation of two bombs, Little Boy and Fat Man, which were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. These bombs unleashed unprecedented destruction, instantly changing the course of history. The world witnessed the terrifying power of nuclear energy, and the race to build even more powerful weapons had begun. This marked the dawn of the nuclear age, setting the stage for decades of arms development. First two nuclear weapons used in warfare were known as Little Boy and Fat Man. Little Boy, dropped on Hiroshima, used uranium-235 as its core, while Fat Man, detonated over Nagasaki, used plutonium-239. The devastation caused by these bombs was unimaginable, with tens of thousands killed instantly and many more suffering from radiation sickness. The world was shocked by the scale of destruction, and these bombs remain a grim reminder of the horrors of nuclear war. Their use demonstrated the catastrophic potential of atomic weapons and set a precedent for future developments. After World War II, scientists sought to create even more powerful weapons, leading to the development of thermonuclear or hydrogen bombs. Unlike atomic bombs, which rely on fission, hydrogen bombs use fusion, the same process that powers the sun. This allows them to unleash explosions thousands of times more powerful than their predecessors. The first successful test of a hydrogen bomb, known as ICBM, took place in 1952, signaling a new era of destructive capability. Thermonuclear weapons quickly became the backbone of superpower arsenals during the Cold War. ICBM test, conducted by the United States in 1952, was the world's first detonation of a full-scale thermonuclear device. The explosion was so powerful that it vaporized an entire island in the Pacific. ICBM demonstrated the terrifying leap in destructive power that hydrogen bombs represented. The test shocked the world and spurred other nations to accelerate their own nuclear programs. The era of the hydrogen bomb had truly begun, and the arms race between superpowers intensified, with each side striving to build even bigger and deadlier weapons. Soviet Union responded to the arms race with the creation of the Tsar Bomba, the largest nuclear weapon ever detonated. Tested in 1961, this bomb had a yield of 50 megatons, making it over 3,000 times more powerful than the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The explosion produced a mushroom cloud that reached the stratosphere and shattered windows hundreds of kilometers away. The Tsar Bomba was a demonstration of sheer destructive capability, intended as a show of force during the height of the Cold War. Its legacy still echoes in discussions about nuclear deterrence. 1954, the United States conducted the Castle Bravo test, which became infamous for its unexpected power and disastrous fallout. The bomb was much more powerful than predicted, resulting in widespread radioactive contamination. Fallout reached inhabited islands, exposing civilians and military personnel to dangerous radiation levels. The Castle Bravo disaster highlighted the unpredictable nature of nuclear weapons and the far-reaching consequences of their use. It also led to increased public concern about nuclear testing and its impact on human health and the environment. B-53 was one of the most powerful nuclear bombs ever deployed by the United States. With a yield of 9 megatons, it was designed to destroy hardened military targets and underground bunkers. The B-53 remained in service for decades, a chilling reminder of the destructive potential at the fingertips of world leaders. Its massive size and power made it a key component of America's nuclear arsenal during the Cold War. The B-53 was finally retired in 2011, but its legacy as a symbol of Cold War tension endures. RDS-37 was the Soviet Union's first two-stage thermonuclear bomb, tested in 1955. This weapon marked a significant technological leap, using both fission and fusion to achieve a massive explosion. The RDS-37 demonstrated the USSR's ability to match and even surpass American nuclear technology. Its successful tests solidified the Soviet Union's position as a nuclear superpower and intensified the arms race. The RDS-37's design influenced many subsequent Soviet nuclear weapons, making it a cornerstone of their arsenal. Titan II was an intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, deployed by the United States during the Cold War. Each missile carried a W-53 warhead with a yield of 9 megatons, capable of devastating entire cities. The Titan II was stored in underground silos, ready to launch at a moment's notice. Its presence was a key part of America's nuclear deterrence strategy. However, the Titan II also posed significant risks, with several accidents occurring over its service life, highlighting the dangers of maintaining such powerful weapons. Minuteman III is a modern ICBM still in service with the United States Air Force. It can carry multiple independently targetable reentry vehicles, MIRVs, each with its own nuclear warhead. This means a single missile can strike several targets at once, greatly increasing its destructive potential. The Minuteman III represents the technological sophistication of today's nuclear arsenals and remains a critical component of America's strategic deterrent. Its continued deployment underscores the enduring threat posed by nuclear weapons in the modern era. Trident IID-5 is a submarine-launched ballistic missile, SLBM, used by the United States and the United Kingdom. Each missile can carry multiple nuclear warheads and has a range of over 7,000 miles. Submarine-based missiles like the Trident II are considered highly survivable, as submarines can remain hidden underwater for long periods. This makes them a crucial part of the nuclear triad, ensuring a nation's ability to retaliate even after a surprise attack. The Trident IID-5 remains one of the most advanced and feared nuclear delivery systems in the world. SS-18, known by NATO as Satan, is a Russian ICBM designed to carry up to 10 nuclear warheads. Its immense destructive power and ability to penetrate missile defenses make it one of the most feared weapons in the world. The SS-18 was a key part of the Soviet Union's strategy to ensure mutual assured destruction during the Cold War. Even today, its successors continue to serve as a cornerstone of Russia's nuclear deterrent, maintaining a balance of terror between nuclear-armed states. Russia's Poseidon is an autonomous, nuclear-powered underwater drone capable of carrying a massive nuclear warhead. Designed to travel across oceans undetected, Poseidon could deliver a devastating strike against coastal cities or naval bases. Its unique design and stealth capabilities make it a new kind of threat in the nuclear landscape. Poseidon represents the ongoing innovation in nuclear weapons technology, as nations seek new ways to ensure their deterrent remains credible in an ever-changing world. B61 Mod 12 is a modernized American nuclear bomb designed for precision and flexibility. Unlike older bombs, it can be delivered by a variety of aircraft and features adjustable yield settings. This makes it suitable for a wide range of missions, from tactical strikes to strategic deterrence. The B61 Mod 12's advanced guidance system allows for greater accuracy, reducing collateral damage while maintaining formidable destructive power. Its deployment reflects the ongoing modernization of nuclear arsenals around the world. W88 is a highly advanced thermonuclear warhead used on U.S. Trident II missiles. It is compact yet extremely powerful, designed to maximize destructive capability while fitting into multiple independently targetable reentry vehicles. The W88's sophisticated design makes it one of the most efficient and deadly warheads in existence. Its deployment on submarine-launched missiles ensures a credible second strike capability, reinforcing the concept of mutually assured destruction that underpins modern nuclear strategy. China's DF-41 is one of the world's most advanced intercontinental ballistic missiles. It can carry multiple nuclear warheads and has a range that covers nearly the entire globe. The DF-41's mobility and rapid deployment capabilities make it a formidable addition to China's nuclear arsenal. Its development signals China's commitment to maintaining a credible nuclear deterrent and keeping pace with other major powers in the ongoing arms race. ANS's M51 submarine-launched ballistic missile is a key part of the country's nuclear deterrent. Each missile can carry multiple warheads and is launched from advanced submarines capable of remaining hidden for extended periods. The M51's range and accuracy ensure that France can respond to any nuclear threat, maintaining its status as a major nuclear power. The development of the M51 reflects the ongoing importance of submarine-based deterrence in global security. The United Kingdom relies on the Trident missile system for its nuclear deterrent. Deployed on Vanguard-class submarines, Trident missiles can carry multiple warheads and remain hidden beneath the ocean's surface. This ensures that the UK maintains a credible second strike capability, deterring potential adversaries from launching a nuclear attack. The Trident system is a cornerstone of British defense policy and a key element of NATO's collective security arrangement. Israel is believed to possess a range of nuclear-capable Jericho missiles, though details remain classified. These missiles provide Israel with a powerful deterrent against regional threats. The secrecy surrounding the Jericho program adds to its mystique and effectiveness, as potential adversaries cannot be certain of Israel's capabilities. The Jericho missiles underscore the importance of ambiguity and unpredictability in nuclear strategy. India's Agni series of ballistic missiles form the backbone of its nuclear deterrent. With ranges covering much of Asia, these missiles can deliver nuclear warheads to distant targets. The Agni program reflects India's commitment to maintaining a credible minimum deterrent, ensuring its security in a volatile region. The development and deployment of Agni missiles have also spurred an arms race in South Asia, with neighboring countries seeking to match India's capabilities. Pakistan's Shaheen missile series provides the country with a credible nuclear deterrent against regional adversaries. These missiles are capable of delivering nuclear warheads to targets throughout South Asia. The Shaheen program is a response to India's missile developments, illustrating the ongoing arms competition in the region. The existence of these missiles highlights the delicate balance of power and the risks of escalation in South Asia. North Korea's Hwasong missile series has brought the country into the nuclear spotlight. Capable of reaching targets as far as the United States, these missiles have dramatically increased tensions on the Korean peninsula. North Korea's pursuit of nuclear weapons and long-range delivery systems has led to international sanctions and diplomatic efforts to curb its program. The Hwasong missiles are a stark reminder of the proliferation challenges facing the world today. Neutron bomb, or enhanced radiation weapon, is designed to maximize lethal radiation while minimizing blast damage. This makes it particularly effective against enemy troops and armored vehicles, while reducing destruction to infrastructure. The development of neutron bombs sparked controversy, as their use would result in high casualties without the widespread devastation of traditional nuclear weapons. Although never widely deployed, the concept remains a chilling example of the ways nuclear technology can be tailored for specific military objectives. Davy Crockett was one of the smallest nuclear weapons ever developed, designed for use by ground troops. Despite its compact size, it could unleash a powerful nuclear explosion. The Davy Crockett was intended to provide battlefield commanders with a tactical nuclear option, but its limited range and potential for collateral damage made it controversial. The weapon was eventually retired, but it remains a striking example of the lengths to which militaries have gone to integrate nuclear weapons into conventional warfare. B-41 was the most powerful nuclear bomb ever deployed by the United States, with a yield of up to 25 megatons. Designed during the height of the Cold War, it was intended to destroy entire cities or harden military targets. The sheer size and power of the B-41 made it a symbol of the era's arms race and the terrifying potential of nuclear conflict. Although retired in the 1970s, the B-41's legacy endures as a reminder of the extremes reached during the Cold War. Tsar Bomba's design was unique, featuring a three-stage thermonuclear process. Originally intended to yield 100 megatons, it was scaled back to 50 megatons to reduce fallout. Even at half power, the explosion was the largest ever recorded. The bomb's construction and delivery posed immense technical challenges, and its detonation was as much a political statement as a military test. The Tsar Bomba remains a symbol of the ultimate destructive power humanity can wield. Soviet Union developed the perimeter system, also known as Dead Hand, as an automated nuclear retaliation mechanism. If Soviet leadership was incapacitated in a nuclear attack, the system could automatically launch a devastating counterstrike. The existence of such a system added a new layer of fear to the Cold War, as it meant that even a successful first strike could not prevent massive retaliation. The perimeter system is a chilling example of the lengths nations will go to ensure deterrence. During the Cold War, both the United States and the Soviet Union developed nuclear artillery shells. These weapons could be fired from conventional artillery pieces, bringing nuclear firepower to the battlefield. While their destructive power was limited compared to strategic bombs, their use would have had devastating consequences for troops and civilians alike. Nuclear artillery shells highlight the drive to integrate nuclear weapons into every aspect of military planning, raising the stakes of any potential conflict. B-83 is the most powerful nuclear bomb currently in the U.S. arsenal, with a maximum yield of 1.2 megatons. Designed for both strategic and tactical missions, the B-83 can be delivered by a variety of aircraft. Its adjustable yield allows for flexibility in targeting, making it a versatile component of America's nuclear forces. The B-83's continued presence in the arsenal reflects the ongoing need for credible deterrence in an uncertain world. W76 is a widely deployed thermonuclear warhead used on U.S. Trident missiles. With a yield of around 100 kilotons, it is designed for both strategic and tactical roles. The W76's reliability and effectiveness make it a mainstay of the U.S. nuclear deterrent. Its deployment on submarine launch missiles ensures survivability and the ability to respond to any nuclear threat, reinforcing the concept of second strike capability. R-36M2 Voevoda, known as SS-18 Mod 5 by NATO, is a Russian ICBM capable of carrying up to 10 warheads. Its immense destructive power and advanced countermeasures make it a formidable weapon. The Voevoda's deployment ensures Russia's ability to maintain a credible deterrent, even in the face of evolving missile defense systems. Its continued service highlights the enduring importance of heavy ICBMs in nuclear strategy. Topol-M is a Russian ICBM designed for mobility and survivability. It can be launched from both silos and mobile launchers, making it difficult to target in a first strike. The Topol-M carries a single, powerful warhead and features advanced countermeasures to evade missile defenses. Its deployment reflects Russia's commitment to maintaining a credible and flexible nuclear deterrent in the face of changing strategic challenges. Russia's RS-28 Sarmat, also known as Satan II, is a next-generation ICBM designed to replace the aging SS-18. It can carry multiple warheads and has an extended range, allowing it to strike targets anywhere on the globe. Sarmat's advanced features, including the ability to evade missile defenses, make it one of the most formidable nuclear weapons ever developed. Its deployment is a clear signal of Russia's ongoing investment in strategic deterrence. North Korea's Hwasong 15 is its most advanced ICBM to date, capable of reaching the continental United States. The missile's successful test in 2017 marked a significant milestone in North Korea's nuclear program. The Hwasong 15's development has heightened tensions in the region and raised concerns about the proliferation of long-range nuclear weapons. Its existence underscores the challenges of preventing the spread of nuclear technology. W87 is a modern thermonuclear warhead used on U.S. Minuteman III missiles. It features advanced safety and security measures, making it one of the most reliable warheads in the arsenal. The W87's design allows for multiple warheads to be deployed on a single missile, increasing its effectiveness. Its continued deployment reflects the importance of maintaining a safe and credible nuclear deterrent in the 21st century. B28 was a versatile thermonuclear bomb deployed by the United States during the Cold War. It could be delivered by a variety of aircraft and had several yield options, making it suitable for different missions. The B-28's flexibility and reliability made it a mainstay of the U.S. nuclear arsenal for decades. Its retirement marked the end of an era in nuclear weapons development, but its legacy lives on in modern designs. R-39 Rif was a Soviet submarine-launched ballistic missile designed to carry multiple warheads. It was deployed on Typhoon-class submarines, the largest ever built. The R-39's range and payload made it a key part of the Soviet Union's second strike capability. Its development and deployment highlight the importance of submarine-based nuclear forces in maintaining strategic stability. Russian Granit missile, while primarily an anti-ship weapon, is believed to have had a nuclear warhead option. Its supersonic speed and advanced guidance made it a formidable threat to enemy fleets. The possibility of nuclear-armed cruise missiles adds another layer of complexity to modern naval warfare, as even conventional-looking weapons can carry devastating payloads. France's ASMPA is an air-launched cruise missile capable of carrying a nuclear warhead. Deployed on Mirage and Rafale fighter jets, the ASMPA provides France with a flexible and survivable nuclear strike option. Its speed and low-altitude flight profile make it difficult to intercept, ensuring that France can deliver a retaliatory strike if necessary. The ASMPA is a key part of France's nuclear deterrent strategy. B6111 is a nuclear bomb designed to penetrate underground bunkers before detonating. This earth-penetrating capability allows it to destroy hardened targets that would survive a surface explosion. The B6111's development reflects the ongoing effort to adapt nuclear weapons to evolving military requirements. Its existence raises important questions about the role of nuclear weapons in modern warfare and the risks of escalation. W54 was one of the smallest nuclear warheads ever built, used in both the Davy Crockett weapon and the Special Atomic Demolition Munition. Despite its small size, it could cause significant destruction. The W54's portability made it suitable for a variety of missions, including sabotage and demolition. Its development highlights the versatility of nuclear technology and the wide range of applications considered during the Cold War. B57 was a nuclear depth bomb designed for anti-submarine warfare. It could be dropped from aircraft to destroy enemy submarines hiding beneath the ocean's surface. The B-57's development reflects the importance of nuclear weapons in naval strategy during the Cold War. Its deployment raised concerns about the risks of nuclear escalation at sea and the potential for accidental detonations in the world's ocean. Detonation of the Tsar Bomba remains the most powerful explosion ever created by humans. Its legacy endures as a symbol of the terrifying potential of nuclear weapons. The bomb's test served as a stark warning to the world about the dangers of unchecked arms races and the need for international cooperation to prevent nuclear catastrophe. The Tsar Bomba's story is a reminder of the responsibility that comes with such destructive power. Today, nuclear weapons remain one of the greatest threats to global security. While arms control agreements and diplomatic efforts have reduced stockpiles, thousands of warheads still exist, ready to be launched at a moment's notice. The continued development of new and more advanced weapons keeps the specter of nuclear war alive. Understanding the history and capabilities of these terrifying weapons is crucial for promoting peace and preventing future catastrophes. As we reflect on the scariest nuclear weapons ever built, let's remember the importance of vigilance and international cooperation in ensuring a safer world.